In this video, we're going to go through the bill of material revision process. This process allows you to define bill of materials by different parameters. So to start off with, we're going to look at a liquid item. This liquid item has not been marked as finished goods. We can also see that the alcohol type has been set, the estimated ABV, and the litres of liquid. It's also an assembly item, so under the manufacturing tab, we've got our BOM and we've got our revision. Key to this is the master default that has also been set. When creating an item, this BOM is automatically created and set against the item. Going to the revision record, we can see that it's split up into two sections. At the top, we have our effective dates, we have our estimated ABV and the BOM it's related to. And at the bottom, we have our various components at the different quantities that have been entered. In this case, we've got three different components: yeast, well, water and grain. We've also defined the quantities by LA, and we have the option to define it by LA or by bulk or in quantity, and as we'll see in more examples, we can see the different options. If I change my quantity in LA, it'll automatically update my BOM quantity based on the expected ABV. I can also change my expected ABV, which will then update the quantities and the calculations. This can then be used on spirit production, and more information around how this can be used on spirit production can be seen in that video, but this is how you would set up a liquid item, putting the estimated ABV in and a quantity per LA. The second item type we're going to look at is a bottled good, so taking that liquid and bottling it. This BOM is simpler, still split into sections. At the top we have all our key information again, and at the bottom we have our components. In this case, we're not filling out the quantity per LA, we're filling the BOM quantity field out. Because the liquid for each one is 0.7, so 70 centilitres, we've got 0.7 in there, and we've also defined the duty labels, the glass, the cork, etc. that for each one. And because of that, we don't need to set our estimated ABV because it's a bottled product. So with Bottle ERP, you have options to set your BOMs by quantity, or in this case, you have your option to set it by LA as well, based on an expected ABV. This is then used as part of the manufacturing process to determine the true quantity that is used or consumed. And more information that can be seen in the spirit production video that I'll walk through the work order process. That concludes our video on BOMs and BOM revisions and how to set up the different options. One by estimated ABV and quantity per LA, and one by quantity for bottled goods